You think the market is hard? It's not. The charts are simple. Price goes up, price goes down. But you hesitate when you should act. You act when you should wait. And then you blame the market. That's the problem. Not the strategy. Not the indicators. Not the volatility. You've seen it before. A clean setup appears. Everything aligns. You hesitate. What if it fails? You wait. You overthink. You miss it. Then price moves exactly how you predicted. And now you chase it. You enter late. Your stop loss is worse. Your emotions are louder. And the market punishes you. Again, you tell yourself, I just need a better strategy. So you switch. Again, and again, and again. New indicators. New systems. New hope. Same results. You're not trading anymore. You're reacting to fear, to losses, to the last mistake you made. And deep down, you know it. Here's the truth most traders will never accept. The market isn't confusing. You are. The market follows patterns, behavior, structure, probability. It is the same things over and over again. But you don't. One day you're disciplined. Next day you're reckless. One trade you follow your plan. The next, you ignore everything. So of course it feels random. Because you are. The market isn't your enemy. It's a mirror. It reflects your impatience, your fear, your lack of control. And until you fix that, nothing changes. Let's go deeper. Because this isn't just about trading. It's about how your brain is wired. Every time you take a trade, your brain is searching for certainty. It wants to be right, not profitable, right? And when you lose, it hurts. Not just financially, ego, identity. You feel like you failed. So what do? You try to fix it immediately. You revenge trade. You increase risk. You abandon your rules. Because your brain wants relief. Now, this is dopamine, not discipline. Dopamine doesn't care about your strategy. It cares about stimulation, fast decisions, fast réveils, fast recovery. And the market? It punishes speed, rewards patience. That's the internal war. Impulse versus control. Emotion versus logic. Now versus later. And most traders lose that battle every day. You don't fail because you don't know enough. You fail because you don't execute what you know. Consistency is the problem, not knowledge. That's the internal war. Impulse versus control. Emotion versus logic. Now versus later. And most traders lose that battle every day. You don't fail because you don't know enough. You fail because you don't execute what you know. Consistency is the problem, not knowledge. If the trade follows your rules, it's a win, even if it loses. Rule 2. Reduce your decisions. Because decisions create pressure. Pressure creates mistakes. Trade less. Wait more. Let the market come to you. Rule 3. Detach from outcomes. Your job is not to control the result, only the process. Because the moment you need a trade to win, you've already lost control. This is how professionals think. Not emotional, not reactive. Structured, cold, consistent. At first, it will feel unnatural, boring, slow, because you're used to chaos, used to stimulation, used to overtrading. But then something shifts. You stop chasing, you stop forcing, you start waiting. And suddenly, the market makes sense. Not because it changed, because you did. You take fewer trades, but better ones. You feel less, but think more. You lose less, because you finally control yourself. The market was never your problem. It never was. You were trying to control something external while being completely controlled internally. Discipline isn't something you add. It's something you become. And the moment you do, trading stops feeling hard because the market didn't change. You did.